Welcome back. Till now, we were dealing only with the equijoins. This means that we made joins on conditions where the columns are on exact match. With non-equijoins, we can make joins based on some, for example, range of data. Although the non-equijoins are not very commonly used, however, they do appear on the Oracle certification exam. So it's really good to know them. So for this example, we're gonna create two tables, which we are gonna join with a non-equijoin. The first one we're gonna create is the vehicles table, and this table has just the vehicle type and its top speed. And the second table is gonna be speed grading, and in this table, we're gonna make a description of a range of speeds between its minimum and its maximum. So let's create those tables and insert the data. And I'm just gonna commit this. And again, don't worry, this example is gonna be present in the lesson resources. First, let's check the state of the data in our tables. So when we check the vehicles table, we can see we have number of vehicles and their top speed. For example, in kilometers per hour. And in the speed grading, we can see that if some speed is between 0 and 10, it has a description of not going backward. Speed between 11 and 40 is described as I can get somewhere, and so on. With our non-equijoin, we want to fetch a vehicle type, its top speed, and that description accordingly to its top speed. So, for example, if a vehicle has a top speed of, for example, 20, the description of that vehicle speed is going to be I can get somewhere, right? And the syntax for the non-equijoin is as following. Again, in the select list, fetching of the columns we want, and in the from part of a query, the join is similar to the equijoin, but on the join conditions, we are not using the equal sign, but some that is in the range. In my case, we are joining the speed grading with the top speed of a vehicle with a between, and this is going to be decided by the minimum speed and the maximum speed. So as I said, if the top speed of a vehicle is going to be between 11 and 40, the grade description is going to be returned as I can get somewhere. So when I execute this query, we can see that indeed we got the correct results back. Have in mind, as said, the non-equijoins are not commonly used in relational databases, but such problems, as solved with our query in our example, are solved with subqueries or in the where clause. But more on that topic, specifically on the subqueries, in the next lessons. See you over there.